Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Maybe, I rarely do this, but I thought I would do an unboxing today because, you know, why not? It is Friday, it's my day off, I was just doing some things. Picked up a couple things, planning on getting out, trying to again this coming, my days off, because after the last fiasco, I got the truck running, so that's good. So I'm going to take the truck, and my plan is to drive out farther and away from people. But before that, I want to bust this box open. Like I said, it's something I rarely do. And yeah, we'll do that. Alrighty. Let's get these out of the way. Whoa, dude. What's in those other boxes, man? Don't worry, you'll find out. Dude, not cool, man. Not cool. Let's also move all these MREs. Pay attention to my community tab, because I'm probably going to post a photo of all these, and I'm going to do a viewer's choice which one you want me to eat. So here's the one we're going to be opening today. This is from GSI. I actually found that I came across these while I was Googling a question for a viewer. My buddy Scott had asked about my enamel pot, and then so I went and found the info for him. And while I was at the site, I decided to go ahead and purchase something. The first thing I've got is I've got myself a new GSI enamel bowl. I actually got this to mix bannock in. Why GSI? Why did you put the sticker down in the inside? Dude, right where food is going to go? Seriously? Oh, sweet. Got the whole thing out. So yeah, I got this instead of for bannock. So when I'm mixing bannock, instead of using that orange plastic bowl, I'm going to have a metal bowl so it won't be so flimsy. I'll go grab one and show you. So this is kind of what I was talking about. You know, it's great for you know, a bowl of Doritos, but it's not. When I'm stirring bannock, you know, it has a little give, and versus this has no give, and they're about the same size. So I could probably boil in this, eat soup in this, and hot meals in this. And speaking of hot meals, now this is something that I have another lid. Oh, a lid for what? Boom! I got myself a, I believe it is a 1.7 liter bush pot. How cool is that? I've been really happy with this enamelware, and I saw that. I just had to get it. I don't need that anymore. But that was, by the way, this whole thing was only $10 with a handle. So, and then I went ahead and threw in the bowl as well. So, what am I going to do with it? Well, I'm gonna do some. I actually had a comment, a request to do some one-pot meals. So I thought, well, now I have a pot to do that in. How cool is that? That's actually pretty big too. I mean, that's my hand. So we'll throw it on the scale real fast. See what they weigh. Those are mystery boxes again. Got my scale. So this is only 2.9 ounces, whereas the bowl is only 0.7. It's lighter, but it's not metal. So, well, it's not metal. And then the bush pot is 9.7 ounces. So, yeah, that is pretty cool. I gotta see if that lid will fit on my 1-quart pot. I knew I should have had it out. Well, wow, they're the exact same lid. Well, yeah, it fits. I mean, it's not a tight fit, but it never was anyway. So sweet, good to know. If you buy this, if you buy one of these for like, I think it was $5.99 or $6. If you get this, the lid is interchangeable. So good to know. So now with this, I'm going to start looking into some ideas for one-pot meals, and also because it has a bail, I have my are you kidding me? Where is it? That's embarrassing. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I have a tripod, and I've shown it on video before, but now I don't know where I put it. Not in there. Wow, did I misplace it? Oh no. It's right here. I got a tripod so I can suspend my pot from the tripod and do some one-pot meals. So, well, alrighty, that's it. Just a quick video. As always, I appreciate you watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay tuned to the channel for more videos and what's in those boxes and one-pot meals and some other stuff and a few MREs and content coming. So, catch you in the next one.